what you did to me. Look what you made me do.
Wheels and Wings brings you an in-depth look at the Lexus NX, covering its reviews, specifications, and features. The Lexus NX is a luxury compact SUV that blends premium design, advanced technology, and impressive performance. With its bold spindle grille, sharp LED headlights, and sculpted lines, the NX stands out on the road, exuding sophistication and modernity. Available in both gasoline and hybrid variants, it offers a perfect balance of efficiency and power for a refined driving experience. Under the hood, the Lexus NX comes with multiple engine options to suit different driving preferences. The base model features a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that delivers smooth and responsive performance, while the hybrid variant enhances fuel efficiency without compromising power. The NX 350h and NX 450h Plus plug-in hybrid models provide eco-friendly driving solutions with improved mileage and reduced emissions. An 8-speed automatic transmission ensures seamless gear shifts, and the available all-wheel drive system enhances traction and control in various road conditions. Inside, the Lexus NX offers a premium cabin designed with high-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and meticulous craftsmanship. The spacious interior provides ample legroom and comfort for both the driver and passengers. The infotainment system features a large touchscreen display, integrated with Lexus Interface, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto for a connected driving experience. A premium Mark Levinson audio system is available for crystal-clear sound quality, making every journey enjoyable. The digital instrument cluster, head-up display, and ambient lighting add to the modern and luxurious feel of the cabin. Safety is a top priority in the Lexus NX, equipped with Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0, which includes advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. The 360-degree camera system and parking sensors make maneuvering in tight spaces easier and more convenient. Driving the Lexus NX is a smooth and refined experience, thanks to its well-tuned suspension and quiet cabin. The hybrid models provide an extra layer of efficiency, while the sportier F-Sport trim enhances the driving dynamics with performance-oriented features such as a sport-tuned suspension and unique design elements. The plug-in hybrid variant offers an all-electric driving range, making it an excellent option for those looking for a greener alternative. With a variety of trim levels and customization options, the Lexus NX caters to different lifestyles and preferences. Whether you are looking for a fuel-efficient daily driver, a luxurious compact SUV, or a tech-packed vehicle, the NX delivers on all fronts. If you love cars and want to stay updated with the latest reviews and automotive content, make sure to subscribe to Wheels and Wings for more exciting videos.